What are your thoughts on being given the trust na ikaw yung tumira dun sa fourth quarter?
Ayun nga, give credit lang to my coaches and my teammates. They never give up on me. And they still believe in me kahit na the whole game I'm really struggling. And then, sabi ko nga, isang open shot lang, makuha ko lang yung rhythm ko.
Aling sabi ni Bong kanina, kumbaga kayo daw mga veterans yung dapat tumapos ng game. Ano lang masasabi mo una sa performance niya na nung first medyo umabo yung net pero maganda yung pinakita niya?
In this series, we need everyone to win against Ginebra. Lahat talaga kailangan mag-produce, hindi pwedeng may bad game. Mahirap manalo pag may isa or dalawa sa amin nag-struggle. Kailangan talaga tulong-tulong. Ang lakas ng team nila and yung lineup nila talagang yung sistema pa ni coach team. So talagang kailangan lahat makapag-contribute.
Alain, it's been said time and again that close-out games are the hardest games. So heading into Game 7, how will you guys approach it? It's win or go home this Friday.
Yun. Game 7, all out. Yun na lang naman eh. It comes to whoever really determined, yung talagang gustong manalo, yung ibibigay lahat, magpapakamatay para manalo. Yun yung magbibigay ng difference. Sabi nga ni Coach Tim when I was playing sa Stanmig, nagkakasama kami. We fought a lot of Game 7 and do or die. Dami namin. Sabi niya, it comes to the players talaga. Kung paano mo i-execute. Alam niyo na lahat ng game plan ng kalaban, lahat ng binabatong depensa. Alam niyo na yan. It's all about the players who really wanted to win that will parang came out with a victory.
Gaano ka poetic ba na kung sino yung coach na nagsabi sa'yo about Game 7? Siya yung makakalaban mo this Game 7?
It's really hard talaga na kalaban si Coach Tim kasi he's a really genius in terms of coaching system and strategies. Tapos sabog pa sila Coach Richard, yung tandem nila talagang magaling talaga. So imagine how many championship and yung percentages of winning nila, di ba? So we really have to be prepared and talagang kailangan namin walang lapses dun sa talagang kailangan well execution, game plan. So yun. Game 7. Hindi umaga. Wala. Pero yun yung mga door die kasama namin sila James, sila TK, sila Joe and Ting. So, pero yun, backup lang ako ng time na yun. So ito, kailangan talaga paghandaan as a veteran, kailangan mag-step up ka during those moments. So yun yung nakita ko nung kasama ko sila James, sila Ting. Nag-step up talaga sila pag Game 7, pag door die, makikita mo talaga yung game nila, talagang mapapanalo nila yung team. Thank you.